There are long pending issues, they need to be resolved. But then resolution of any issue is intended to create an enabling environment for future conducive environment to enable people to live in mutual coexistence. Therefore, the issue of Assam-Meghalaya border, which has been pending for long and which have been attended to by the present government with one, an agreement which has been arrived against the sentiment and wishes and acceptance of the people of the state of Meghalaya. We are trying to draw the attention of the government of India to take cognizance of the sentiments of the people of the state and scrap the Assam-Meghalaya border agreement. We also must understand that